Time for another trading recap. So this week I think that I did not post any video, at least trading recaps. So because honestly I did not find any good trade, so I did not took any trade. So I did not saw a reason to record and upload a video. So I'll just upload a video today just to update and to say that again I did not took a trade, but I almost took a trade, but the price action is so it was very strange. So I was more bullish than bearish for the day because we swept the Asian low. So here we just made equal highs at here at Asian high. We did not sweep the Asian high, so I was more bullish than bearish because we swept the Asian low, and here we have the sweep, and then we had a continuation higher. So for me to take shorts, I would first need to see a sweep of both of the highs to think about taking shorts. So I was more bullish than bearish before the sweep of the highs. So here we had the market open. As you can see, we had the market open. We just swept some lows, but still I was not very interested here because it was not a very important liquidity level here. I just waited to see the price just developing. And here, after we had this candle, I just waited to see a sweep of the highs, and that's what we had. We had here a sweep, and then it just started reacting. So on the 15 minutes we just closed below. So for me it was a bearish sign that we might just we'll start reversing from there. So the plan was very simple. I would wait to see this inverse of the gap, and then I would think about taking shorts, and that's what we had. We had here the inverse of the gap, and I just said to myself, because first we swept the Asia low. I was more bullish than bearish, so I just decided to just wait to see a reaction because I was more bullish. So I was not very interested on taking shorts here, but I just said to myself, I will wait to see the retest, and if we had a good reaction after the retest, I will just try to find it and to enter shorts. And as you can see, we retested and then just had a huge candle. I don't know why. Maybe we had news, was not planned news, but we had some news that I don't know uh, which news were. But here we had the reaction, and then we just had a huge candle. So here I would just wait to see if we would touch again the gap, and if we would, I would take shorts. If we did not touch the gap, I would just ignore and just call it a day. And as you can see, with the price just going a bit higher and then just continue going lower, my full TP I think would be, yes, it would be here at this low, because I was more bullish than bearish and because it's Friday today. So I usually, on Fridays, the price action is not very good. It's a little bit slow and does not move a lot against the trend. It usually does not go against the trend. So it was Friday, so I just had my TP here instead of having at the London low. But as you can see, it would have hit my full TP, it would have hit the other TP that I would have, and it just continued going lower. Here I honestly I just ignore the price action we gone lower, we gone below the 4-hour Fibonacci gap, and then just had a little bit of a bullish reaction, but still we are bearish. We just swept the high. Honestly, we might just go a little bit higher, and then I'll expect a continuation lower again. So I'm not very interested on the longs here. I'm not very interested on shorts either. So here I could have entered a very good short, but I just waited to see a confirmation, and as you can see, we just had a huge candle, and we did not add a second retest here, so I will not just enter a trade for the day. So no trades for the week, no trades for the day, it is what it is. I had my strategy here, I should have entered, but I was not very confident, so I just waited to see if you would have a reaction, and we had a huge reaction. I did not add the double retest. So no trades for the day. So if you like the video, like and subscribe, and Sunday I'll be back to record my weekly analysis on gold. So if you like the video, like and subscribe, and see you Sunday.